Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to email the Twitch support team. So let's get started right away. If you are facing any problems within the Twitch application and you wish to contact the customer care or the support team, first of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and just type in Twitch and start your search. Once you find the Twitch application, tap on it and you will see the app support button. Tap on the drop down menu and now you will find the email address. Tap on this email address and then use your email application in order to send your support email. Within the subject section, type in the subject of your concern and then explain your case or the issue that you are facing in details within the main body. Then tap on the send button and this will send your email to the support team. Once they have received your email, you will get a response within which you will find the instructions that you can follow in order to solve your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team for Twitch. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.